This is one of our featured products. It is a 14-inch bandsaw. It's a bench model. We're not sure of the manufacturer, but we know it's made in Taiwan. It is 1/3 horsepower and it's 115 volts. And it's a very nice little unit. We have it powered up to test, and it runs very well. And we're going to turn it on so you can watch it run. Pretty simple little machine here. It does include a guide right here, the blade, and some instructions and a parts manual. So there you have it. 14-inch bench model bandsaw. And we thank you for looking at our product.